Yeah, I did it all on my own, y'all. And I don't really owe y'all. I just know that I'ma take y'all. I just know that I'ma take y'all to get the money right. I feel a young boss. I've been around a lot of hustlers, get that money right. I don't give a fuck. I seen it first of months and late night. In the 30 days. In the 30 days, I done promised on my mama I seen worse of days. So now it's back to the movement, back to the kitchen, back to getting loose in it. I don't give a damn, say a nigga just scooping it. A two-seater, riding two bitches and just one heater, riding with that motherfucking bleeder. You should watch your preacher, cause I feed all the geekers. And I don't give a damn, now I'm thumping through your speakers. The nigga hating on me, treat them like Jeepers Creepers. They won't find your ass till 28 days later. The smokers say they love a nigga, they fuck with the flavor. And I don't give a fuck, I keep a lot of hoes, no flavor of love. I say I'm just too clean, still posting and thugging. I don't really fuck around with Tom Ford. I'd rather rock with gold tee Ice Jordans and Mike Jordans. Don't fuck around with Tom Ford. I'd rather rock with gold tee and gold teeth for some Mike Jordans. Say I'm good for this mic recording, but I put it to the side and fight for supporting. And I fight for supporting. I say my goonies real killers. We on the front of your porches. I don't give a fuck. You see it and we burning, we torch them, riding reckless. Niggas say we riding on horses. Say shout out to my nigga Mo. Yeah, we been a young goon. Come and fuck with the piranha posse off in the Basaloon. You think it's funny or it baffles you? I don't give a fuck. I go retarded IR baboon, nigga. Act cow and get played chicken. I say I'm going off of this shit. I'm just hell driven. Split it down, busted in two divisions, causing concussions and aneurysms. Coming through your chimney like Santa Symphony. I said we deeper than your school panoramic picture. Killing our own niggas like a catch 'em with the ski mask, keys, last Papa tags. I don't fuck around with Jimmy Jazz, cause that shit too cheap. I cannot compete. I say I got that thing on my heat like a beat. On my hip like a beacon. On my hip like a beacon. It's all on my hip, say I never missed a beat. Say I never missed a soul if he call me to the street. I know you niggas weak. I said that before, but I had to let them know I ain't never been a hoe. Say I started from the O, then I moved to the 1, then I moved to the 3. Now I'm living in the 4. Knocked the nigga out from Craigwood, that's the 2-5, the quarter block. Say a couple niggas say they get live. Say we used to go to the block parties, get naughty, nigga go against the grain. I got the hammer, get it started. Clapping at your mans, busting at me with the automatic. Swear on my mom, I ain't lying, had to let him have it. Then I seen this nigga drifting by as he waved the hammer at a nigga. My life flashed by right before my eyes, but I know don't die. So I stood in the middle of the road and let it fly. Real fact, yeah, I shot him down south. Now I'm the man in my team. We can go all about anywhere that we want to. And I don't care if you know who close to you. Who close to you. Cause the nigga close to me is who will smoke you, see. Close to me is who smoking things. I don't give a fuck, he go to geek and guess who's smoking things. He must be on the meth, or he must be on that pipe. That crack, he get his life right. Say I stay chopping up the white. The crack get his life right. I stay chopping right. A few crumbs to get his life right. I don't give a damn, say I'm good, no dice life. Nigga hating on me, I show him blazing with the pipe light. Like a plumber, say like a plumber. American gangster come through and kill the whole summer. Pay the tab, but you can die like Willie Blummer. I don't give a fuck, we stay on fire without the summer. Law stay raiding, the law stay raiding. Keep the hammers where you fuck niggas, fuck where I hate. Black runners is all I trust. I don't even believe in God too much, and that ain't luck. I guess I'm testing my luck, I shot at a few times, but my life ain't got took. Yeah, I did it all on my own, y'all.